In this video, I teach you how to sum columns and rows in Excel so you get a nice looking data set with totals like this, both at the columns and the rows. Let's do it. Casper from Spreadsheeter here, and I'll show you two ways of adding these cells together. The first one is the Autosum method. So place the cursor in the cell where you want the sum to be and go into the Home tab. In the right side, there's a button called Autosum. Just click it and Excel will guess what cells you want to add together. And it does a pretty good job at that, but if it's not right, you can just left click and hold the mouse button to drag this area around and place it somewhere else and increase or decrease the size up here. So you can modify the cells that are being summed up. If it's correct, hit enter and the sum will be there at the bottom of the column. Pretty cool, huh? Now the second method I want to show you is that you can just type this in manually. So write an equal sign, then write sum, open parentheses. That's basically the same as when you hit the Autosum button up there. Now you can select with the cursor the area that you want to sum up. For example, these cells right here, close parentheses and hit enter. And there you have it. That's exactly the same as in this cell over here. After you've done this, you can simply drag these cells over here to copy them. And you can do the same for the rows here. It works exactly the same. So just hit the Autosum button up here, hit enter, and you can drag this into the cells below. And there you have it. You have now added totals both for the rows and for the columns in this data set. Pretty cool, huh? This is the video that YouTube thinks you should be watching next, and this is the video that I think you should watch next. So click on both and find out who's right. Also, if you like this video and want more content like this, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.